Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is an unbagging video, so I thought without further ado, let's get into this. I have two packages, one from a Younique seller, and one from my Mary Kay lady, who is awesome. So I thought I'd get into the Younique one first. I pre-opened it because I totally forgot what it was. So yeah, I know what it is. It is the Epic Mascara. I hosted a party for Tracy, and the party didn't go over too well, but she made some connections. And so she said she'll send me one, which I've been actually dying to try this. I think I found a dupe, per se, maybe close dupe for this. So, yeah, I'll talk about it in a future video, which should be in my, of course, dupes video, one of them. Yeah. I love this. I already know I'm gonna love this since I love the Wet n Wild Mega Wear. I forget. It's the turquoisey blue packaging. It's that packaging. Matter of fact, I started using that when after I had a sty, which, oh my god, that was like 2012. Yeah, this is what this beauty looks like. You know, like, I love it. I wish more brands would go with this kind of packaging, though, because it's so much easier to store. I usually keep mine in like a little section of my vanity in one of those clear organizer things. And I already know I'm gonna absolutely love this. And yeah, that's from Tracy. She's awesome. She is awesome. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful that she sent it. So there's some info. I could always leave it linked down in the description box if you want, if you're always looking for a new Younique seller. So now, I could not wait to get this. I took off the label off of here because I do not like to share my address and stuff like that. So yeah, it looks like this packaging is so pretty. It makes me really happy to see beautiful packaging like I get from my Plunder lady. She sends in beautiful envelopes like these. She sends me stuff constantly. Yeah, I gotta say, give a shout out to Courtney Hanks. She is awesome. She's always hooking me up with like some Mary Kay stuff. So this is from, I think, one, like, oh, you have to pick one out of a category. Like, it was a bingo card I seen. So I chose YouTuber or blogger about this to get this, which I'm happy about. I've been using Mary Kay for, I think, since I was 16. I think that's how long I've been using it, on and off. I like to switch my products around, change it up. I absolutely love their loose powder. I love that stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got, which I'm going to do, I think, a video, maybe another video, just mainly talking about are shown these products on, I think I want to say maybe Monday, Tuesday, since I know, like, I have nothing going on. So yeah, she just explains about the products, which is cool, which is awesome, you know, like, yeah, I always follow about the products, how to use them. The charcoal mask, I know I love products, these kind of face mask and stuff, which is awesome. I'm always looking for different products to try. Which I will be more than happier to leave the links and how to contact the sellers in the description box. This is the little lip product, Sunset Peach, I believe. Yeah, which I think I will love, because I see some of that golden sparkle in it, which I'm obsessed with. Mascara, which I'm always fond of. I love me some mascara. I see they changed the packaging of Time Wise, which I've used in the past. I've used these products in the past, which is awesome. It's awesome to always have on hand. The microdermabrasion, I've used this numerous times, for not only for my face. I've used this technically as a lip scrub as well before I got my hands on lip scrub products. You know, like, that's one of my favorite things. Like, I'm just putting it on my face anyway, so why not use, I think, my index finger, and I lightly did my lips with it. And so now with the makeup, which is awesome. Yeah, these are my colors. You know, I always keep these on hand. I always do. The little sample things, which I love, love, love. Moonstone. That is pretty. I also use it as a highlighter, which is awesome. Yeah, that's what I've done in the past. Used it as a highlighter. I just would apply it with my finger, with my fingers, then go in with a brush. I use not the fan brush, but there's another brush I use. I think it's a strobing brush. That's what I use for highlighter. Feel it gives me the glow I want from a highlighter. I actually have 0 to no makeup on today, because I thought I'd just do an easy video, a quick video. That way it wouldn't be 10 hours long. So this video is over. Monday or Tuesday, Monday, I will do a video on this, more about these products from Mary Kay. And I hope you have a good day or night whenever you're watching this, and enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you'd love to see anything. That's all. Bye.